making progress. Base for the walkway is in. Waiting for the concrete to dry so we can come back with our flagstone for the patio, for the walkway. Our flagstone walkway is complete. So we got the slope going down, straight up to the steps. Beautiful flagstone installation. Tomorrow, taking out this mound of dirt, installing sod, plants, and mulch. All right, finally got the ground leveled out. New topsoil in. Now we coming back with the sod. We'll do sod in the front, mulch in the back where the plants are. As you can see, we came a long way from installing the retaining wall caps. And they came back and put the handrails and the ladder. We came back and installed the walkway. And now landscape is going in. We got our skip lords in the back, boxwoods over to the right, side in the front, mulch coming down next. Okay, the next time you're on L and 4th Street Northeast, take a walk on down the street, look left and see this magical creation done by yours truly, SML Services. We installed boxwoods, mulch, the sod, took out that huge mound of dirt that was right here, leveled it out, installed the sod, flagstone walkway leading up to the steps, and also the caps that's on top of the retaining wall in the back. And can't forget the skip laurels that's gonna grace the front when they start to grow. So, another one by yours truly, SML Services, landscape, hauling, hardscape for the whole DMV area. Call us now, 202-425-1872 for all your landscape, hardscape, renovation needs. Yeah.